Do you know what's inside a floppy disk driver? Now let's check it out. First we will open this cover. Open it. There are 4 locks on it. Open it, open it, open it. So we got this after opening the cover. Look at this. This is a stepper motor which drives this read-write head to and fro, which creates a linear movement. Now we need to unlock these locks to remove the front cover of this driver. So unlock it. Now look at this. The dirt makes sense. It's an old player. Now it's time to brush it up. You can see the motor which spins the floppy disk like that. And this is the head which sandwiches the floppy disk. You can see rotating the shaft of the stepper motor gives a linear movement of the read-write header. You can see like this. Now it's time to remove the read-write header from the body. Unscrew this. Unscrew, unscrew, unscrew. And after that, you can see the read-write head. So finally, this is the read-write header, which reads from the floppy disk and writes into the floppy disk. It have 2 parts, both for 2 surfaces of the floppy disk. Now we will separate both of these. Unscrew it. And after this, you can see these heads made up of copper coils, which reads the electric fluxes generated from the magnetic tape. You can see the turns made up of copper coil. Look at this. This is a kind of magnet which is sensed by a hall sensor, which stops the motor when it is overdriven, preventing the physical components from being damaged. So this is inside a floppy disk. Please like, share and subscribe to watch similar content.